Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Jack, and today I'll be checking out the Anker PowerWave wireless charging pad. So at the bare minimum, the Anker PowerWave wireless charging stand and the Anker PowerWave wireless charging pad can carry a minimum of 7.5 watts to your phone. So you might not want to be using a stock charger for this. You can buy a Anker quick charge block or a Qualcomm quick charge block, both from Anker.com. Give it an extra boost of 10 watts of power instead of the original 7.5 watts. Using Anker's wireless charging pad, you can top off your phone's battery percentage from 0 to 100% in 3 hours and 6 minutes. So inside the box, we got a quick start guide, a micro USB cable. It's pretty standard on most Anker products. And the Anker Power Core pad. When you look at the pad, it's pretty small compared to their last version. It keeps it nice so your phone isn't like tiny compared to it, but it still looks nice, and the contrast with the white discs fits in pretty good, and their white pad will fit in with black discs too. So looking at this charging pad, we got a nice rubbery finish on the top to help your phone not slip off from it, and on the back it also has more of a rubbery finish to keep it from sliding off the desk. On the back, you got the micro USB port, so it's not in like a weird position like on the side or anything, so you can quickly put it behind your desk without having a wire like sticking out on the side. There's also a new indicator light right here to show which status your phone is at while it's charging. If it's fully charged, the pad will shut off charging and will show a green light on the side. You can easily put your phone on the wireless charging pad without it slipping around, and it will charge pretty quickly. So moving back to the instructions, here's a Anker instruction leaflet. It will show here there's the instructions on like choosing the right adapter, where to place your device on the wireless charging pad, and charging with cases. This charging pad has a 5mm maximum of case thickness, and on the back you will find the phone numbers and emails and their websites if you're not happy or if you are happy with your product. And in the other instruction packet you will find the LED indicator status guide. Solid blue for 3 seconds, then off is connected to power. Solid blue is charging a mobile device, and flashing blue metal is detected, or flashing green means that you're using a way too high of an adapter and it has an overvoltage warning. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe below to check out my latest videos.